Hello, my name is Rachel Hoskins, and I was born and raised in Los Angeles, California. I attended the University of Oregon for college, go Ducks, and that is where I earned my bachelor's degree in communication disorders and sciences. Fun fact, I also had a double minor in nonprofit administration and Judaic studies while I attended the University of Oregon. I am very, very eager to continue on my journey in becoming a speech language pathologist, and I can't wait to do so. I would love to attend the University of Pacific as my graduate program. It's just really ideal in my eyes. What makes UOP the ideal program? Well, in my eyes, I'm again very, very eager to get started in the career. So for me, what would typically be a 2-year program at most schools that I've looked at, UOP has it condensed into 15 months. So again, fingers crossed I get in, but if that is the case, it would be nice to go ahead and get started on my journey and then finish sooner rather than later so I can jump into the fields and in the career. So fingers crossed, hopefully it goes well this time around. Okay, so let's say I have a client that comes to me for therapy, and immediately my client begins the session by walking to the far corner of the room and facing the wall. Let's say this client doesn't even show interest when I offer to play a game with him or her. What would I do? Well, there's a couple ways of going about this, and for me personally, the first thing I would try would be to say something along the lines of, "Oh, I'm really sad you chose not to play today. I have a lot of fun activities planned for us, but you would have to come over to me in order to see what I have planned for us." Fingers crossed that works. Maybe it doesn't. If it does not work and this child really isn't motivated, then maybe remind them. Let's say, for me, I feel like I may have a client that I would use almost like an ABA approach to it, where I would use a sticker chart for reinforcement. So, you could say something along the lines of, "Hey, I'll be here waiting. Don't forget, you get to be done with speech once you earn 4 stickers. But in order to earn 4 stickers, that means that you need to come over to my table and work with me and look at the games that I have planned for us today." And hopefully that, again, the gentle reminder of the reinforcers kind of increases the likelihood that they would come and engage with you in your therapy. In my experience working with kids with autism, pretty severe autism actually, that tends to work a lot of times, but again, it's just hard to say because it really depends on the day. And again, if you have a good enough rapport with that client, maybe say something along the lines of, "Oh, okay, well, I'll be waiting here, but the longer you face the wall, the longer it'll take to earn your stickers and the longer it'll take for us to be done." It depends on the rapport with the child, but definitely identify those reinforcers that the child or your client is motivated by, and use those to your advantage to entice the client to come engage with you. Those are just a few ideas that I have and that I've used in my experience of working with kids with autism. So hopefully that works. And thank you so much for taking the time to look over my video and my application, and I'm really hoping for the best. Thank you. Bye-bye.